What if the only thing standing between you and your dreams is your mindset? Not your past, not your circumstances, just the way you think. Join me as I take on the challenge of unlocking my mindset and transforming my life in just 30 days. Your mindset is the lens through which you see the world. It shapes your choices, your confidence, and your future. If you've ever felt stuck, it's not because you can't do it. It's because your mind hasn't yet learned how to believe you can. We all have that inner voice, the one that whispers, "What if you fail?" It's fear, doubt, the weight of past mistakes. It tells you you're not ready enough, not smart enough, not good enough. But that voice, it's lying to you. But here's the truth. These aren't facts. They're beliefs. And beliefs can be changed. The fear of failure, the habit of comparing yourself to others, these are walls built inside your mind. And it's time to break them down. So, how do you unlock your mindset? First, start with awareness. When your mind says, "I can't," challenge it. Replace it with, "I'm learning." That small shift can change everything. Next, visualize. See yourself already living the life you want. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It just follows what you feed it. And surround yourself with energy that lifts you higher. And finally, take action, even when it's uncomfortable. Confidence doesn't come from knowing the outcome. It comes from trusting yourself enough to try. A few years ago, I was stuck, burned out, second-guessing every decision. Then one day, I wrote down 3 words: change your mind. Every morning, I repeated it. I stopped focusing on what could go wrong and started focusing on what could go right. And everything began to change. Not because the world shifted, but because I did. When you change your mindset, you don't just change your thoughts. You change your direction, your decisions, your destiny. Now it's your turn. What's one mindset shift that's changed your life? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to check out my next video on practical steps for personal growth.